Hi, everybody, and welcome to NAB Show New York. Welcome to our Tech Chat Theater at NAB Show New York. I'm Christina Clapp. I'm the editor of NAB Amplify, and I'm here with Brandon Baker, who is the Strategic Account Manager for Syncore. Welcome.
Thank you.
And we are talking about providing a highly reliable and scalable internet-based MSO network for Turksat Cable. And so Syncore's DMG 7000 has been chosen by Turksat Cable to be the foundation of a new internet-based MSO network. The network achieves the reliability and low latency thanks to RIST packet retransmission, link bonding, and hitless switching abilities. So we will discuss that. Brandon enables some of the largest broadcasters. Take that. Brandon Baker enables some of the largest broadcasters with the right video distribution and monitoring solution in today's evolving content consumption landscape. Aside from his six last years with Sencore, Brandon provides valuable industry insight from his time with MVPDs, broadcast integrators, and television stations. Well done, you. Okay, so what makes Syncore so unique in the broadcast market? And tell us what Syncore has been up to.
Been in business over 70 years, primarily providing very, very reliable transmission and monitoring products for the broadcast industry. Mm-hmm. So a very, very, very strong background in engineering and support that has led to the development of some products that can handle pretty much anything that a broadcaster can throw at it. More recently, we have gotten heavily involved in this new world of transporting video over the open internet. So whether that be adding a RIST or an SRT output to an encoder, or adding an HLS or ZXI or RIST or SRT input to our decoder, we feel like we have the market covered.
Excellent. Well, let's talk a little bit about your most recent installation.
So we were honored to work with Turksat Cable. They had a need to distribute programming over the open internet to 28 spoke sites from 2 headends. So the name of the game here is redundancy, redundancy, redundancy. So starting kind of working from left to right, the overall topography here is they're taking TS UDP, wrapping it in RIST, distributing that out, and then unwrapping RIST at the receive sites back to TS UDP. So we've got 2 geographical locations. Each location has a redundant server, our DMG 7000, wrapping those streams in RIST. Right. So, meant as a backup for any type of situation, right? Natural disaster, military coup, who knows?
Yeah.
Okay? So those are being distributed out to 2 independent ISPs and ultimately fed to 28 spoke sites that are taking advantage of RIST, hitless switching, packet retransmission, so that literally it's as bulletproof as you can possibly get from a distribution reliability standpoint.
Right. All right, so then now what comes next?
What comes next? Well, kind of dovetailing on this particular project, we are very, very pleased. At IBC last month, we officially launched what we're calling Suncor Center, our orchestration platform that kind of brings all of our devices that a customer may have on their network into one pane of glass, one control mechanism, if you will. We've had decoders and encoders out in the field forever. And now with the addition of these gateway devices, taking transport stream to one of those protocols that I mentioned and back again, we're continue to add devices to any number of networks. Well, the desire now is I've got all these devices, and every time I get a software update from Syncore, I have to log into 50 different devices, right? Or I have to reconfigure all of them independently. So what Center does is allow you to bring all those into one system for control. You can add this screen here kind of talks a little bit about how you can add devices to the control system. You can route streams from device to device. There are some analysis available. There will be some analysis available. So ETR 101, 290, level 1 and level 2. And this is just phase 1. In the future, we are going to be adding to this by having a call home feature, device registration, and then what's really cool, pushing software updates out to every device through this one gateway.
Yeah.
So we're pretty excited about it. Again, just launched last month, so it's just getting off the ground, and we're going to continue to add to this pretty substantially as time goes on.
Oh, beautiful. All right, so if folks want to read more about the installation in Turkey, can they read it? Is there more information on your site?
Oh, absolutely. So Sencore.com.
Yep, great.
And we also have a booth here at the show, booth number 1014.
Great. That away?
Yep, towards the front.
Yeah, exactly.
This is just another example of how you've got multiple encoders or gateways on the left side of the screen taking in, whether it's a live event, you're pulling in an off-air signal, 8VSB, sending it to Center Gateway, and then out the other side to a variety of devices, whether that's an MRD 7000, RMD 7000, DMG 4000 for turnaround back to STI 2110, whatever it may be.
Beautiful. And information on that also resides on
absolutely, on our
Sencore.com.
website.
Beautiful. All right. Great. Brandon, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Thanks for joining us.